MACY-PAN, a leading global manufacturer of hyperbaric oxygen chamber. We specialize in the research and development of safe, comfortable, and easy-to-operate hyperbaric oxygen therapy equipment, serving multiple fields such as sports medicine, health and wellness, beauty and anti-aging, neurological rehabilitation, and medical care. This hard-shell hyperbaric oxygen chamber 2.0 ATA HP2202 is our flagship product developed based on our in-depth research on 2.0 ATA depth. It combines safety, luxury, and convenient operation, allowing both professional institutions and home users to easily enjoy the health benefits of hyperbaric oxygen therapy. The chamber features a sliding door design for easy entry and exit. Large transparent observation windows not only facilitate monitoring of usage status, but also provide a sense of security. With an internal space measuring 85 centimeters in diameter, it is spacious and comfortable, providing a luxurious and relaxing environment for daily health and wellness, post-exercise recovery, and clinical rehabilitation treatment. The chamber is equipped with a water-cooled air conditioning system, ensuring that the interior remains cool and comfortable even during prolonged use. Innovative dual control system, one-touch start and adjustment both inside and outside the chamber, making it more efficient for professional institutions to operate and more convenient for home users to use. Through a mask or nasal cannula, users can directly inhale up to 95% pure oxygen in an environment of 1.5 to 2.0 ATA, significantly enhancing cell activity and accelerating repair and metabolism. Safety is MACY-PAN's top priority. The chamber is equipped with emergency exhaust valves and chamber pressure gauges to ensure that users are quickly protected in any situation. Built-in two-way intercom system allows users to maintain real-time communication with operators, providing greater peace of mind and security for treatment and rehabilitation. Whether it's athletes looking to recover their physical strength quickly, users seeking anti-aging and beauty treatments, or patients requiring neurological rehabilitation and medical treatment, the MACY-PAN hard hyperbaric oxygen chamber provides a scientific, effective, and safe solution. With multiple international certifications, MACY-PAN's products are sold worldwide and widely used in medical institutions, wellness centers, beauty salons, and home health care. MACY-PAN, protecting health with technology, bringing hyperbaric oxygen therapy to every family in the world.